In this Dosh app review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make cashback using this website, if this is legitimate or not. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if the Dash app is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Dosh app, what it does is it's basically a cashback app, and every time you shop on these different websites, you're going to be getting about 1 to 6% cashback for every purchase that you make. In a second, I'm going to be showing you all the partnership that the Dosh app has done, but before that, you can actually get it in the you can download it on the App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Also, one thing to remind you guys is that this website right over here, or this app right over here, is only available, or these offers are only available to the US citizen. If you're not from the US citizen, you won't be able to use this app. But if you're here, if you want to find another way that you want to make big money online, make sure you stay to the end of this video as I'm going to reveal a strategy. So for the people that are from the US, you can basically download from the App Store and the Google Play Store. Let me show you the Google Play Store. Wait a second. So the Dosh app has almost 10 lakh plus download, which means it's about 1 million downloads. So this app right over here is very popular in the US. It's a pretty amazing app. It's a legitimate app. You can definitely make cashback. Let me show you some of the screenshots. So they are working with big companies like Uber, Old Navy, then you have Grubhub and even Apple Music. So let me show you some of the other companies. So they have partnered with brands like Adidas, you might know Disney Plus, Sam's Club, and you have Casper. So if you apparently buy from these big brands, you're going to be getting cashback. So it's great. So if you buy sandals from Crocs, you're going to be getting maybe 3 to 5% cashback, which is not bad, which is not a lot of money, but still most people don't look for cashback. But if you do your shopping from the Dosh app, you will definitely get cashback. And those are some of the website, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Usually the cashback is between 1 to 5%, but the Dosh app will pay you a little bit higher. You can maybe get around 4 to 6%, which is also nice. So suppose if you buy a pizza from Domino's, you're going to be getting up to 8% cashback, which is also nice. And you can book hotels on this website, and you can probably get like 1 to 2% cashback. That's what I'm guessing. Hotels generally pay a little bit less when it comes to cashback, whereas some pay up to 5%, but usually it's about 1% or 2% when it comes to hotels. And then let's talk about the withdrawal section. So the withdrawal threshold is about $15, which is not a lot of money that you can reach. It's quite easy to get to actually $15. So you can either donate your money, or you can also transfer your money to Venmo or PayPal. So the thing I haven't mentioned is that once you get into the Dosh app, what you have to do is fill in your credit card details. It can be Visa, MasterCard or American Express. And after you apply your credit card, what it does is it charge when you do shopping from these companies, they will charge you from your credit card, and the cashback that you're going to be getting is going to be shown in the balance in the Dosh app. So that's how it works. And for you guys to get to $15, it's not going to take a lot of time. if you're someone who's shopping on a very regular basis, I'm going to be guessing you can get to $15 in about 1 or 2 weeks. So that's how fast you can make money. But this is not going to make you rich or anything like that. You can't quit your full-time income or things like that. Yes, definitely it's a good strategy that you can use to maybe get some cash back, because usually people don't opt for cash back. It gives you cash back, which is very nice, and Dosh is a very popular app. And if you go to Google Play Store, and if you go to the maybe the review section, I've heard it has got more than 4-star review. I don't quite see where is it, but the Dosh app has generally 4-star review players, so that's also a great thing to look into the Dosh. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out, but it's not going to get you big money or anything like that. So if you're here and if you're looking to make big money online, maybe $1,000 or maybe even $10,000 per month, I have a strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. So if you want to see this free guide, which is an absolutely free guide, if you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.